Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Poppy Nur Hikmah. My ID number is 4101421103. I'm from Mathematics Education Study Program, Universitas Negeri Semarang. In this video, I will show you how to solving problem linear programming using probing method use Geogebra. First, we have some problem of linear programming. This is the problem. Tita will make sponge cake and donut. For one sponge cake dough, you need 200 grams of flour and 100 grams of sugar. While for one donut dough, you need 300 grams of flour and 8 grams of sugar. Tita only has 9.5 kg of flour and 4 kg of sugar. If the profit earned by selling sponge cake made from one dough is 50,000 rupiahs and the profit earned from selling donut made from one dough is 70,000 rupiahs, the maximum profit Rita can earn is solution. First, we have to determine the variable. Suppose X is the number of sponge and Y is the number of donut. From the question, we have for sponge, we need 200 grams of flour and 100 grams and sugar, and the profit for sponge is 50,000 rupiahs. For donut, we need 300 grams of flour and 80 grams of sugar, and the profit for donut is 70,000 rupiahs. And the capacity for flour is 9,400 grams, and for sugar is 4,000 grams. From the problem, we can determine the objective function. Suppose the maximum value of the maximum profit is Z, then the maximum value is Z is equal to 50,000 X plus 60,000 Y. This is from the profit that can earn by selling the sponge and donut. And we have the constraint is 200X plus 300Y is less than or equal to 9,040, and 100X plus 80Y is less than or equal to 400. X is greater than 0 and Y is greater than 0. To solve this problem, we can use graphing method using Geogebra. First, we have to write all the constraints with equality equation. First is 200x plus 300y is equal to 9,400. Second is 100x plus 80y is equal to 400. Third is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. To determine the visible area, we have to write all the constraints in one equation, or we have to combine all the constraints. First is 200x plus 300y is less than or equal to 9,400. We combine 100x plus 80y is less than or equal to 4,000. X is greater than or equal to 0 and Y is greater than or equal to 0. As we can see at this Geogebra, this is the visible area of the constraint. After we have the visible area, then we have to find the vertex in this visible area. So we can use this intersects from this equation and this equation. This is the vertex A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. A is 0, 0, B is 0,31,33, C is 40,0, and D in 32,10. To find the maximum value, we have to write the objective function first. The objective function is 50,000x plus 70,000y is equal to k. This is equation 4 objective function. To find the maximum value, we have to write the objective function first. The objective function is 50,000x plus 70,000y is equal to k. In this slider, the interval of k is 0 until 10 million. To find the maximum value, we have to see the last vertex that meet the equation for or the objective function. If we play this k, the last vertex that meet equation of objective function is D. The first vertex is A, and then the second is B and C, and the last is D. The second is C, B, and the last one is D. Based on the graph that we have made, we have visible area with 4 vertex, that is vertex of point, that is point A, the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 0. Vertex B, the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 31,3. Vertex C, the value of x is 40 and the value of y is 0. And vertex D, the value of x is 32 and the value of y is 10. After that, we have to enter the value of x and y into the objective function. At the point A, the maximum value, the value of z is 0. In the point B, the value of z is 2,193,100 rupiahs. In vertex C, the value of z is 2 million rupiahs, and in the vertex D, the value of z is 2,300,000 rupiahs. So we can see that the maximum value is on the vertex D. And then Rita will earn maximum profits when she makes 32 cake and 10 donut, and the maximum profit is 2,030,000 rupiahs. I think that's all for my video. I'm sorry if I have mistakes. Thank you for your watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.